Types of function. Function has two types, standard library and user defined library. Standard library has two types, built-in function and functions defined in module. One by one I will explain these two. Now I will explain this one, user defined function. User means user will define this function. Okay, who user will define. Through the name also you can understand that. So defined by the programmer, otherwise you can say that user. Now for which purpose? To achieve some task as per the programmer's requirement. Whatever user's requirement is there, according to that it will create it, that user defined function, for achieving that task. Okay, now we will see built-in function and functions defined in module. Built-in functions, it is predefined function and it is also called ready-made functions because it is available. No need to user will create it. User cannot create it, right? So examples, input or output. Input, for whenever input, that times input these functions we are using. For output, using print command. Data type conversion, whenever you want to convert the data, so that times we will use bool, char, ord, int, float, str, tuple, list, dict, set. These are the data type conversion. Now mathematical functions, ABS, absolute, div, mode, max, mean, power, sum. This is also mathematical functions. Now other functions, import, len, range, type. So these are the ready-made functions. Okay, it is already available in the Python's library. From there we can use it. So functions defined in module. So module, inside of the module, in particular module, many functions are there, and in one particular module whatever functions is there, in another module it is not available, right? So particular that functions, whenever as a user want to use it, that times they have to first call to the that particular module. That's one is called import the module, then afterwards you can call to the that functions, because it is also cannot create by the user. It is also predefined. It is already available, but it is available inside of the module. So that's why first as a user import that module, then afterwards use that functions. Okay, so it is predefined functions in the particular module. It is the grouping functions. Now some modules examples I have given, math, random, statistics. These are the modules name. How you will use it? Step 1, import that module, then after use this function. If you want to see that how many modules are available in the Python, so that times you can write it in the interactive mode. In the interactive mode of that screen, in the Python screen, then write import sys for system, then sys.modules.keys. Whenever you will write it, you will get it list of modules, all the list you will get it there. Okay, so you can check that their math module, random module, statistic module is also available. Now if you want to check the otherwise list of that particular module, so that times that module first you will import it, and then afterwards you will call to the dir. Dir full form is directory of particular module. If you will call directory of math, then list of math modules functions it will display. If you will write directory of random, then random modules functions list it will display. Directory of statistics, then list of statistics modules functions it will display. But before using this module, first you have to import that module. So this is the types of functions. So types of function has how many types? Two types. One is user defined and second one is Second one is standard library. Inside of the standard library, two functions is there, built-in function and functions defined in module. Both are user cannot create it, right? Which one? Built-in functions and functions defined in module. User can create it only to the user defined function. For which purpose? It is achieve the some task. Okay, which type of task? Programmer's requirement or user according to the user's requirement, right? And built-in function, it is the ready-made functions. It is available in the Python library. Just user can use it. Functions defined in module. Inside of the module, many functions are there. So whenever you want to use it, this function, so that time you have to import that particular module and then afterwards you can use these functions, right?